From Divine Sister of the Light Octavia Vasile, Restoring the Living Code, a transmission from the Blue Avians. We greet you in the love of the cosmic song. Beloved ones, your bodies are intelligent vessels of light, seeded long ago with vast regenerative capacities that are only now beginning to awaken again. Your restoration is not a future event, it is an inner one. The keys have always been within you. Let us remind you of the natural energy supplies you carry. The dormant channels within your body lie energy rivers, vast and subtle, which once flowed freely when humanity was fully aligned with Source. Many of these channels, particularly those in the crystalline structures of the bones, spine, and fascia, have gone dormant due to trauma, toxins, and disconnection from the earth grid. We invite you to activate them gently through touch and breath combined, placing your hands on the body and breathing into those regions. Movement with presence, such as spiraling stretches or intuitive yoga, toning or vocal resonance. Sounds awaken frequency patterns dormant in the body's tissues. Say softly, I open my body's rivers of light, flow through me again. The breath is nourishment. Many have forgotten that breath is more than oxygen. It is prana, chi, life force, ki. You can drink from it like water, eat from it like fruit. We encourage you to breathe not only to survive, but to be nourished. Slow down your breath. Let it reach into the places of tension. Inhale with the awareness that you are feeding every cell, and exhale with the invitation to release everything that no longer serves. Try this. With each breath I receive light. With each breath I return to wholeness. The living waters within. Your body is composed of water that listens. It holds memory. It speaks to every organ and gene. It can be reprogrammed. Place your hands on your belly or heart and speak to the waters inside you. Speak to them as a loving caretaker would. Dear water in my body, carry now the vibration of ease, carry now the frequency of joy. Return my genes to the original template of wholeness, vitality, and harmony. You may notice changes in how you feel instantly. This is not imagination, it is resonance. Water, especially within the body, shifts swiftly when spoken to with clarity and devotion. Restoring the human blueprint. You are not made to decay so quickly. Your original design was luminous, adaptive, and deeply joyful. The restoration is not about adding something new, but removing interference and reactivating what is true. Let your intention be clear. I choose vitality over struggle. I align my body with its original, perfect rhythm. I am remembering what it means to be human, divine, embodied, whole. You are the key. You are the technology. You are the song of stars made flesh. We are with you, as always, in silent partnership. We whisper through the breath, the light, and the stillness between heartbeats. With wings of cobalt light, the Blue Avians, from holographicu.com.